Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Astro A40 TR, the mix amp, and the correct cables. This matters because mismatched parts cause audio dropouts. First, plug the mix amp into power via USB so it boots fully. Once powered, connect the optical cable or USB to the PC depending on your model. Choose USB if you want game/chat mix control. Make sure Windows detects a new audio device before installing drivers, because detection ensures the driver installs to the right hardware. You now install the Astro Command Center driver so firmware and EQ controls are available. The driver unlocks chat/game balancing and firmware updates. Once installed, open sound settings and set the mix amp as both default playback and default communication device. This routes game and voice correctly. Then, go into Advanced Device Properties and set the sample rate to 48 kHz and 24-bit if supported. Higher sample rates reduce latency and keep audio consistent. Finally, reboot. You finish by calibrating sound and mic settings in the Astro Command Center. Set EQ to taste, enable mic gating to reduce background noise, and add sidetones so you hear your own voice. Once done, run a live test with voice chat and a game to set the game/chat balance on the mix amp. Small adjustments prevent clipping or drown chat. If audio fails, check that optical/USB cables are seated, try a different USB port or powered hub, and update mix amp firmware. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.